Hey friends, we're continuing our series on maintenance for your dishwasher. In the last one, I showed you how to clean out these ports real thoroughly to make sure that your sprayer is working correctly. Today's an easy one, the filter. Grab the filter, give it a little turn counterclockwise. Depends on how much you run it. This filter here though, if this gets clogged up, the muck ends up coming through here and it plugs up these holes. Gotta clean this. Easy, just get some hot water. Most of the time you don't even need soap. And you wanna run the water through this backwards. So normally the water goes through in this direction here. So we're gonna put the water from the inside out. Just running the water through usually does it. If you need to, you can get a light scrubber. And look at that, we've got some kind of blue something in there. Part of a paintbrush maybe. Also, you see all these small holes here. So I might use a tool like this one here. You can poke some of that stuff out. We've also got a couple cleaners like these we're gonna use to clean out these holes like this. And then in this bottom side, if we see any more, I can use a scrubber like this one right here to clean this stuff out. It's important we get this thoroughly clean though. Pull this part out right here. This is just kind of a screening tool. And clean this out. You can see some gunk that's coming off of it. When I pull that out, we get more prizes. Half of a plastic fork. All right, let's get all this gunk out of here. Again, this little brush works pretty good. We're gonna wanna run the water through this backside. So this is the direction the water normally goes. We'll turn it over, give it a little scrub, run it under the water. Now we got this pretty cleaned up, but before we put it back, let's take a look in here. And I'm thinking we need to do a little wipe in here and just make sure that we clean that up. Just got a couple wipies here. I'm just gonna kind of give it a wipe around the outside. Yeah, you can see there's plenty of gross stuff in there. Clean out this hole pretty good. There's a little water in there, don't worry, just make sure. You don't wanna use a paper towel because the paper towel might fall apart in there. And we wanna keep all that kind of stuff out of that little port. I'll use this tool again and just clean up these areas. More wipies and see if we can get any of this stuff out of here. Put our screen back. Just kind of goes underneath that part there. See that? Just kind of clicks under there. Same thing on the other side, and then you just kind of push down a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit of manipulating to get it just right. Put our filter back in. Filter, we're gonna do just like 1/8 of a turn clockwise. And it locks it. Hey friends, hope today's video helped you out. I'll put all these tools that I use down in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got all kinds of other maintenance, several other videos on dishwashers, but all kinds of other maintenance around your house to make sure that you're doing those things, keeping your house in good shape. Friends, give this video a thumbs up, please, and we'll see you next time.